In this class, our project is going to be to build a blog using MongoDB and Python. And to do that, we're going to need a web framework because this is going to be a web application. And the one we're going to use in the class is called Bottle. Bottle is a very simple web framework that is minimalistic. It has basic templates and lets you create web pages. It's probably not something you'd use for a production project, but you could. But it's very good for this class because it sort of strips out all the complexity of a lot of the modern web programming. So let's go find it and install it. It's a Python module. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to Google, as I always do. I'm a loyal Google user. And I'm going to say Bottle Python framework. And it looks like it's at bottle.py.org. And so I click on it. And I notice this is the preview release, and I want the stable release. So I click there. And now it gives me some basic information about this module. And you can see they actually have an example Hello World program, and we're going to run that program. It's a very short program. I'm going to take you through it line by line, show you what it does. But right now we want to download it and install it. Now they suggest that we get it from the PyPy repository, and they suggest that we use easy install. I prefer to use pip. We have pip installed on both the Mac and the Windows PC that we showed in the earlier lesson. So let's go ahead and use pip to do this. So I'm going to get a command window. I'm going to become root, which I need to do on this Mac, but I shouldn't need to do it on the Windows box, I don't think. So pip install bottle. All right. So that installed the 12.8 version, which is good news because we know that the version number 13 was unstable. And so we don't want that one. Let's see if that's true. It said that .12 was stable, and this is .12. So that's good. That's the stable version. And now we need that little program. So to do that, the easiest thing to do is just to copy it with your mouse, and I've already done that. You can use whatever editor you want. I'm going to use Emacs because that's what I'm most familiar with. And I'm just going to take you through this program line by line to show you what it does. So from Bottle, it imports a few different methods: route, run, and template. It uses these decorators, and these decorators are used to set up URLs that the web server is going to listen on. So here it's saying that it wants to listen on /hello/name, that's a URL this program will handle, where name is a variable, so it could be hello/Andrew or hello/Bob, and that it will return this template, which is right in place. And you can also get it from a templates directory, but in this case it's inline the template. It says return hello name. It's bolded with an exclamation mark, and that's it, where name equals name. And the last thing is just telling it to run the web server and listen on it. And so it says run host equals localhost port 8080. So let's run that and see what happens. So we're going to invoke the Python interpreter on hello bottle. This is not using MongoDB at all. All right, it's listening on port 8080. Let's go back to the web browser. Go to port 8080, the URL hello, and then append an Andrew on the end and see if it says hello to me. It says hello Andrew, and we can also have it say hello Elliot, and it can say hello Richard if we want. That's it. And then you can see every time I hit the web server, it prints out the URL that got hit, which is Andrew, Elliot, and Richard. So that's how you install Bottle and how you get it running on a Mac. And on Windows, it's very similar. As long as you've got pip installed and Python installed and your scripts are correct, you should be able to do this in pretty much the same way.